Hi, my name's Greg and I own GNC Tire and Auto Service. And one thing we see a lot of is vehicles coming in to the shop and the stickers in the wrong location or dead stickers on the tags. So I wanted to show you what we do on some of our vehicles. Anytime we register a vehicle, I like to write the VIN number in this area right here. So if somebody were to steal the license plates, on the back of it, it's a VIN number. But the key thing is the month and the year. When you pick up your vehicle information from DMV, you'll receive stickers like this. And September will stay with you for as long as you own the vehicle. You'll put that in the month spot, just like this. And then your year sticker will be good for a year or 2 years. So every 1 to 2 years, you'll need to renew your license plate. And when you do that, they'll actually only mail you the year sticker. So the mistake that we see a lot of is when somebody comes to renew, they'll put their next month or next year over top of the month. So it's very key to just stack up your year stickers here. You can always peel them off if you get a lot, but keep your month here and your year here, and you should be good driving on the roads of Virginia. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to GNC Tire and Auto Service. Thank you.